Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to pair it with our iPhone or the iOS platform. Let's see if this smartwatch is compatible with iOS platform. Although it states in the specs page of the Realme that the smartwatch is compatible with iOS platform or Android platform. In our case, we'll make it sure. We'll see, especially with our iPhone here. Let's see if we can pair it with the Realme Watch 5. So if you are interested to see whether the Realme Watch 5 works with iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and connect our Realme Watch 5 with our iPhone here. So let's go to the App Store, and we already searched it earlier. We'll search it again. Realme Link, and we have here the app. So let's download the application. As you can see here, we reset our smartwatch. We'll pick the English language. So we have the English here. Check. So we have here Google Play Store or the App Store. Let's wait for it. It's still downloading. The Realme Link. And just a few seconds, we'll have the app. Okay, so let's open the app. Let's see if there are some permissions. Okay. The Realme Link to track your activity. Allow. Then agree to service agreement and privacy policy notice. Okay, got it. Allow. Then we will pick our region here. Next. Use our location. Allow once. Then got it. Then tap on pair device. So here it is asking to sign up or sign in if you have an account. In our case, we will sign up, and let's see. Okay, we'll get back when I successfully register or sign into the Realme account. Alright, so we have successfully registered an account. So it's time to pair our smartwatch. Pair device. Got it. Alright, so we have here our Realme Watch 5. So it appears on the dashboard. Found the smartwatch right away. So let's connect our smartwatch with the app. Tap on Realme Watch 5. Let's wait for the connection. Okay, we have a confirmation here. It's not connecting. And tap on pair. Okay. Allow. Okay, so Bluetooth pairing successfully. Get started. Then I have read and agree. Then select our profile here. Next. Next. We will just leave it as it is. Next. Okay, as you can see here, we are connected. The notification is activated for the permission. We have the face gallery here. Yes, it is loading. We also have health reminders. And let's see, more functions. So we have frequent contacts. We'll not add one. Let's see, find my watch. And it's here. Okay. So as you can see, we have successfully paired our smartwatch with the support app. So very easy to connect. no issues at all. We are able to connect our Realme Watch 5 with the support app properly. And for those who is asking whether it is compatible with iOS platform, yes, it is compatible with iOS or iPhone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, also drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.